Today I'm going to be doing a unboxing and a overview of the SKULLCANDY inked SC Blue model. Since I know y'all can't see good, I'm going to read the back for y'all since this is an overview. It says, inked delivers the range and response found in a full-size headphone and a direct-to-ear package, all the while isolating you from the external haze. And right there in English it says, speaker diameter 11 millimeters, a 2020 gigahertz frequency range, impedance of 16 ohms, max power input is 100 megawatts, 1.3 meters cable length, and the plug type is 3.5 millimeters. Gold plated, yet to me it looks silver plated, though it does look gold on the video. I like this packaging, it looks pretty cool, so I'm going to try to save this whenever I cut this open. So I'm just going to cut this and kind of till I have it where I can open it, and I'll see y'all in a second. Alright, I just cut the top off here, so pry this open. Alright, so set this aside. Alright, as you can tell, it comes with an extra pair of large gels for your earbuds, small gel, and the mediums that come with it. Open this up. Don't need that. Alright. Here are the earbuds themselves. The mediums are on them. Here's the skull. I really wish I had focus right now. But around the skull has like a lighter blue, probably more of a, I guess you can say baby blue. Then, as you can tell, it's royal, black, 11 millimeter speaker, black cable, and then there's 3.5. I know you can't tell, but it has a skull right there. And I was incorrect, it is gold plated. So let's untie this, and I will do a little quick sound test. So let me grab my iPod. First, let me see what this is. Skull thing there. Don't really need to read this. And it just really says, listen responsibly, read all instructions and safety information before use to avoid injury. To find the user guide and important safety information, go to skullcandy.com/safety. Who needs safety to listen to earbuds? So let me grab my iPod. iPod with a pretty cool SKULLCANDY wallpaper. Music. I really don't know what to pick. Let's do I'll Be in the Sky by B.O.B. So, pretty loud. Do something with a lot of bass. I'ma Be, Black Eyed Peas. Just got mail, sorry for that. Alright, so I don't know how that was for you, but that was pretty loud for me. So that's really about it. Hope you enjoyed. I know it's a short video. I'm also going to be unboxing this later today, which the camera was just sitting on. If you've seen my other video, or you were watching it and didn't feel like watching the whole thing, I requested y'all to leave comments on this, if y'all wanted unboxing or not, but I am anyways. So, thank you.